Oily skin care. 10 homemade face mask recipes that work.
Number 1. Green clay. The absorbent properties of green clay are very effective at treating an oily and acne-prone skin. It regulates excess sebum and removes skin impurities. Green clay contains multiple mineral and vitamin sources and has cosmetic properties that help alleviate skin problems. Green clay exfoliates dead skin cells and reduces inflammation and acne. It leaves your skin smooth and softer than ever. Recipe: mix 3 tablespoons of liquid honey with 1 tablespoon of green clay. When dough is smooth and homogeneous, spread an even amount over your face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Let it set for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 2. Oats. Oatmeal is great for acne-prone skin because it absorbs excess oil from the skin surface. It also helps remove dead skin. Oatmeal can be mixed with yogurt, honey or pureed fruit, such as banana, apple or papaya. Recipe: mix 2 tablespoons oatmeal with 2 tablespoons yogurt. Finally add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Apply a thin layer of this homogeneous dough to your face, avoiding the eye, nostrils and mouth area. Let the mask set for 20 minutes. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera exerts moisturizing, regenerating, healing and soothing effects. Aloe gel has astringent properties that shrink pores and regulate sebum secretion. Aloe vera mask can attenuate the appearance of unsightly shine on your face. Recipe: mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it on your skin and leave it on 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 4. Calendula. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is primarily known as a healing plant because of its soothing abilities. Calendula is a natural astringent able to cleanse skin pores and gently tone your skin. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, regenerative and astringent properties, calendula regularizes and normalizes the production of sebaceous secretions. Recipe: prepare an infusion for 10 minutes at a rate of 3 teaspoons of dried calendula flowers per cup. Filter. Apply compresses soaked in this infusion to the face and let it work for 10 minutes.
Number 5. Honey and lemon. A mixture of honey and lemon is a very effective face mask to manage oily skin and fight acne. Honey has antibacterial and astringent properties. It absorbs excess moisture from the skin, rebalances oily skin, and reduces the risk of skin infection. Lemon has excellent astringent property, which cleanses the skin of excess oil. Recipe: mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply a thin layer of product to your face and leave it on 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 6. Strawberry. A strawberry mask has an amazing soothing, revitalizing and invigorating effect on the face. This facial mask illuminates skin complexion. Strawberries contain alpha-hydroxy acid, which facilitates the elimination of sebum and blackheads. These natural acids also stimulate cell renewal. Recipe: mix half a cup of crushed strawberries with half of an egg white and a tablespoon of honey. Spread an even amount over your face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Let it set for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with water.
Number 7. Apple. Tannin found in apples are substances which exert an astringent action by tightening the tissues of the skin. An apple mask will firm up the skin, prevents the development of blackheads, and help maintain the skin's natural pH. Recipe: mix 1 tablespoon of apple juice with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply a thin layer of this liquid to your face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Let the mask set for 20 minutes and remove it with warm water. Number 8. Rose water. Due to the astringent-like properties it possesses, rose water helps remove excess oil from the skin and tightens the pores. Rose water has also anti-inflammatory properties that can help get rid of acne. Recipe: mix 1 tablespoon of rose water with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this over face, let it sit for 10 minutes, and rinse with water. Number 9. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil helps alleviate oily skin issues. It helps control the excessive oil secretions. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory action, lavender essential oil prevents superinfections and eliminates excessive granulation formation. Recipe: you can sprinkle a few drops of lavender essential oil onto a cotton pad and pass it over your face. Number 10. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is a powerful antiseptic, which inhibits a broad spectrum of bacteria and fungi that is used to treat blackheads, microcysts and oily skin with imperfections. Recipe: add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil to a bowl of hot, not boiling, water. Lean your face over the bowl and cover your head with a towel.